Tired of working every single day just to pay the bills? Imagine a life where money comes in even when you are asleep. No, this isn't a scam. It's called passive income. And in today's video, I'll show you how to build it in simple and practical ways. Stick around because this could change your financial future forever. Most of us follow the same routine every day: study hard, get a job, work long hours, and wait for the monthly paycheck. But here's the problem: if you stop working, your income stops too. And let's be honest, can we work forever? On top of that, inflation keeps on increasing, prices of food, rent, fuel, everything is rising. If your salary grows at a slower rate than your expenses, you will always be running behind. So, how do we break free? The answer is stop relying on active income and start building your passive income. Passive income means setting up systems where money comes in without actively working all of the time. But don't misunderstand, it isn't that easy money. It requires effort in the beginning, but once it's set up, it can pay you for over the period of years, even decades. Let's explore some simple and unique ways to start earning passive income. Have things at home that you rarely use. Why let them sit idle when they can make money for you? People are always looking to rent a furniture, cameras, bicycle, even spare parking spaces. These are very simple ideas that I'm talking about. Rent them out if you can and earn every month. You can create your own website or you can put it on a marketplace where you can rent these items on monthly basis or on per day basis as you wish. Second is, buying a property requires a lot of money. We all know that. But did you know that you can still earn rental income without owning a house or a property? There is something called as real estate investment trust. Short में उसको हम कहते हैं REITs. So which allows you to invest small amounts and earn a share of rental income. Did you know how you can earn every time someone downloads your ringtone, artwork, or even an audiobook? So once created, these assets keep generating money without any extra effort. Instead of keeping all your savings in a low interest bank account, what you can do is you can lend some small amounts to verified borrowers and earn a higher interest rate. Peer-to-peer lending lets you do just that. Your money grows while helping others. Ever thought about starting a business that runs on its own? There is something called as franchisee owned, company operated models where you can earn decent amount of money on monthly basis. Also something like vending machines, self-service laundromats, or even ATMs placed in the right locations can generate cash without you being there all the time. Want to start building passive income? Here are 3 simple steps plan. Choose one passive income idea that excites you the most. Start small, invest time and effort in the beginning, that does matter a lot, and then automate and scale it. Use systems to make it hands-free over the period of time. Remember, passive income isn't an overnight lottery, but with patience you can slowly break free your financial stress. Which of these passive income ideas excite you the most, or are there any ideas into your mind? Drop a comment below. Let's build financial freedom together, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple life-changing money tips. See you in the next part. Thank you.